Hey everyone, this is Rick Baker. Here's another Highland for you. It's a new model or new floor plan for a Highland Treviso. It's 2402 Miranda out here. Again, in Rockwall, the nice thing about it is beautiful communities, but they don't have the muds and the PIDs and the PUD taxes. So it's actually outlawed in Rockwall. Now this house isn't finished. We're just doing the minor details, but just wanted to show you this. Just show you the main entry. We'll go around through the house after that. That's a wow. You almost have to back up to get the scale of the house. I have a huge island in my home. I have a Highland, of course. But this one beats it all. I mean, you can feed a small, you can feed a platoon here. Lighted up birds. I mean, there's nothing that Highland missed. It's just unbelievable. I love this floor plan. I wanted everyone to see it. You can have 20 of your closest friends all here. Study away from it all. I did my fireplace like this where I ring it all the way up. It's just beautiful. It's one of the things, like if you're gonna build a house where you just pick the lot and then pick the floor plan and pick everything that goes into it, you get a stunning home. You can put in all the nice little features that are just no one else has. Let me show you the house. Mother-in-law. Again, the house isn't done. They don't have all the cabinetry in and things like that, but it's just a really nice, you can tell it's just great. And again, Highland, I see everything, and I bought a Highland for my wife and our family. Just fanatical attention to detail. They got great little things that nobody thinks about. Like they only use trains. Now this is obviously a premier property. I mean, if you picked this up and moved it to any other major city besides DFW, the price would be, you know, $3 or $4 million. California would be $5 million. But I'd like to wake up to that every morning and get some breakfast. Huge primary suite. It's all one story. It's about 3,700 square feet. Oh, I'm sorry. Misspoke. The master's over there. But look at this house. It's just an amazing property. But Highland does things that no one else does. Like this house, all their houses, they only put in train air conditioners. They only put in great quality windows. You know, they put in argon gas, low E windows. Yeah, those are basically state-of-the-art windows. A bathtub, someone can actually use. What an amazing property. So, you can go right off the master and go over here and have your morning coffee. Oversized patio. You need a really large down rod and a fan like that. And on the outside ones, by the way, free tip of the day, some builders cut corners and they put wood fans out there. A couple years later, the heat and the humidity just makes them warp. Always buy metal for your exterior fans. Maybe even for the interior ones. Pot filler, you know, oversized burners. Good stuff. It's a Highland.